Currently 9:53 p.m. And the reason why I'm on my computer so late is because I was actually banging my head against the wall trying to figure out this DAX measure behavior. As you can see, I have a simple measure that's taking a calculate, and then I'm saying I want the year greater or equal to 2024, and I want the quarter equal to 2024 Q1. Now, what this was supposed to do was to return the last day of every single period if the year was over 2024 and the quarter was 2024 Q1. But as you can see, well, it's behaving appropriately when I have just period and then the measure in a matrix or in a table. It behaves really weirdly when I have year and quarter in a table with the same measure. Now, why is that? Well, that's because when you pass the calculate function filter arguments, like what I'm doing right here, it overwrites or modifies the existing filter context on those columns. So when I am passing a filter on year and quarter right here, it's overwriting the row filter context. Luckily for us, DAX has an amazing measure called keep filters that when you uh, add it into a formula, and I'm going to add it into these tables, and then I will show you how it's working, overrides this behavior. And instead, it simply adds on those additional filters to the existing filter context. So, what does this look like in practice? Well, all I had to do was wrap the filters in my calculate with a keep filters and the behavior fixed itself. So if you want to make me feel better for taking so long to catch what's going on here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you feel like this is something absolutely basic that I should have caught in seconds, let me know down in the video comments. Thanks for watching.